Okay. Good morning, everyone.
Morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you this morning?
I'm good.
Good?
I'm good, ma'am.
Okay. Ken Richie, how are you this morning?
I'm good, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Before we study, I want you to pray. Usually, who lead the pray? Ayo. Siapa biasanya memimpin doa? Because it is our first meeting in this morning, in this day. Ya? Michelle Shiori?
Random, ma'am.
Siapa? I couldn't hear you. Random. Oh, random. Okay, now I want Marvel Cendana. Yeah, I want you to pray, to lead our prayer in this day, in this morning. Okay, please, Marvel Cendana.
Before we study, let's pray. Pray begin.
Finish? Marvel. Okay, pray finish.
Yes, ma'am.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam, ma'am. Hello, Ma'am Rofiko. Okay, student, I want to introduce you to my lecturer. Her name is Ibu Rofiko, Ma'am Rofiko. I call her Ma'am Rofiko. Here, ma'am, there are my student here, 23.
Hello.
Hello. Say good morning to her.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
ma'am.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, students. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, great. Yeah. Have a nice day.
Yeah.
So, we are waiting for
Yeah, ma'am.
Sariamon.
We should waiting Sir Yarmon, or I continue, ma'am?
Yeah, I think, yeah, you may continue.
Okay, we already pray, ma'am. And then now I will check their attendance. This is actually, ma'am, this is our normal class.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, based on the schedule. So I will check their name one by one. Okay, I will check your attendance. Start from 8 Meta. Anata?
Present, ma'am.
Thank you. Brian?
Present, ma'am.
Kathleen Nataliko?
Present, ma'am.
Damika?
Present, ma'am.
Fadel Samudra? No? Justin Sugando?
Present.
Ken Richie? Ken? Are you with me, Ken?
Present, ma'am.
Thank you. Marvel Cendana?
Present, ma'am.
Michelle Nadim?
Present, ma'am.
Michelle Beatrix?
Present, ma'am.
Reinhard? Reinhard here? Reinhard? Belum join ya. Ricardo?
Present, ma'am.
Sheila? Sheila? Stewart. Stewart Moses. No. Destin.
Present, ma'am.
Destin, Sheila. Okay, thank you. Agung. Agung. Where is he? Aurelia Agatha.
Present, ma'am.
Good. Celine Ivana Lim.
Present, ma'am.
Putri. Vaksin. Jason Ngo.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Michelle Shiori.
Present, ma'am.
Mifel Ngo. Mifel. Mifel, are you with me, Mifel? He didn't answer me. Al-Karim. Al-Karim.
Present, ma'am.
Thank you. Richard Lim.
Present, ma'am.
Stefano. Stefano. No. Delvin. Delvin.
Present.
Thank you. Thank you. Vanessa.
Present, ma'am.
Yoren.
Present.
Yusuf.
Present, ma'am.
Thank you. Oh, there are 4 students doesn't come today, yeah? I hope they are okay. So, welcome to my class. Okay. Can we start our class today? Are you ready for study? Say yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I'm ready, ma'am.
thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. First, Mifel Ngo baru join. Okay, I wanna ask you some questions. In the school, when before we held our apel pagi, there is a announcement, right? Ada announcement kalau pagi-pagi. Do you still remember?
Yes.
Yes. What is the content of the announcement? Apa kata-kata dalam announcement tersebut? Nah. To all students of Karunadipa Junior High School, bla bla bla. Apa kata-kata pertamanya? What is the first words that you hear? What? Attention. Ya, biasanya attention please for all students of Karunadipa Junior High School. Okay, like that ya. It's about announcement. Okay. I will show you a video. Pay attention ya. Tiba-tiba ada suara. Okay, so Dinda and the two girls. There are two girls in the dialogue on the video. Dinda and siapa?
Dinda and Sinta.
Dinda and Sinta. Apa yang mereka bicarakan? What they are talking about?
Homework.
Homework. What homework? What homework they are talking?
Doing the activity.
Ya, homework, English homework ya. Jadi Dinda mengecek apakah siapa tadi Sinta sudah mengerjakan PR bahasa Inggrisnya. Gitu ya. So, okay. Okay. Before I continue, I wanna check. Do you get your material on your Google Classroom? Do you check? Do you check it? I already sent it to you yesterday. Do you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Google Classroom. Oke, Marvel. Sudah ada di Google Classroom-nya?
Sudah, ma'am.
Okay. I will continue. So today we gonna learn about asking for attention and checking understanding. In our textbook, di buku paket, you may open this material on chapter 1 ya. Do you get your textbook from school?
Yes.
Yeah? Do you
Yes,
take
ma'am.
it? Or your parents take it for you? Ya, oke, good. Oke, ini kompetensi dasar. Jadi ini adalah target dari kurikulum yang diberikan oleh pemerintah yang harus dicapai di kelas 8 ini. Kompetensi dasarnya ya. Dan indikator pencapaian kumulatif. Indikator pencapaian kumulatif ini adalah hal-hal yang akan kalian lakukan dalam pelajaran hari ini. Dalam pelajaran hari ini ada 4 hal. Yang pertama adalah mengidentifikasi fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan, ungkapan teks interpersonal, lisan dan tulis yang melibatkan tindak tutur meminta perhatian dan mengecek pemahaman. Yang kedua adalah menuliskan dialog pendek sederhana dan melakukan tindak tutur ungkapan meminta perhatian ya. Oke. This is our learning objective. Tujuan kita ada 2, yaitu first to get attention and then to check if we are understood. Okay. Any question? Ada pertanyaan? Apa kita belajar apa hari ini? What we gonna learn today? Hello?
Paying attention and checking understanding.
Could you repeat again?
Asking for attention and checking understanding.
Okay. Asking for attention and checking understanding ya. Okay, I will explain it to you a little bit. This is a dialogue between the teacher and the student. Yeah. Hello student, could you listen to me please? And the student said, yes sir, yes ma'am, gitu ya. Oke.
Saya nggak bakal help. Oh, nggak ada.
Okay. Okay, anyone know what is asking attention? Anyone know what is asking attention? Apa sih meminta perhatian itu yang bagaimana?
Wait, ma'am.
Okay. Putri Herwanto join. So this is Asking attention is an expression used to ask attention to someone. So when you wanna ask attention to someone, there is ini ungkapan-ungkapan yang bisa kalian gunakan ya. Ya, this is the Indonesian. Meminta perhatian adalah ungkapan yang digunakan untuk meminta perhatian dari seseorang. Ada before I show you the example, ada yang tahu enggak caranya asking attention dalam bahasa Inggris itu gimana? Richard Lim maybe?
Saya, ma'am.
Ya, oh, Ken Richie ya, good. Gimana Ken? Kalau when you wanna asking attention, Ken?
Attention, please.
Nah.
Can you hear me?
Oke, good job. Ada lagi? Attention, please. Do you hear me? Ada lagi yang lain selain Ken? Delvin, Destin, Ricardo, Damika, ada yang sudah bisa?
Saya, ma'am.
Oke, good. Please.
Everybody, may I have your attention, please?
Oke, good job, Ricardo. Everybody, may I have your attention, please? It's correct, ya. Itu benar. Oke, ini complete-nya. I will show you. Excuse me, permisi, atau may I get your attention please? Bisakah saya mendapat perhatianmu? Atau could you listen to me please? Dapatkah kamu mendengarkan saya? Atau hanya bilang attention please or listen to me, gitu ya. Okay. This is how you respond about asking attention. How you respond it. You may say, yes, ma'am. Sorry. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Okay. I see. Sure. Go ahead. Ya. Ini expression. Okay. Siapa ya? Ken Richie, could you repeat again the answer, giving attention? The expression of giving attention.
Giving attention kan?
Yeah.
Really?
Really?
Okay.
Sure.
Sure.
Okay.
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am. Okay, good job, Ken Richie. Okay, now checking understanding. Mengecek pemahaman. Have you understood the material? Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. I know it very well. Okay, this is the meaning of what is checking understanding. Checking for understanding is an expression used for checking someone understanding about what we have said. The response, it can be positive and negative. So when we want to check understanding to someone, the response can be negative and can be positive, ya. Oke, ini. Anata, could you read the expression of checking understanding in the screen, Anata? Could you help me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please.
Tapi di saya nge-stuck, ma'am.
Michelle Sherry, maybe? Could you help me to read expression of checking understanding that I show you in the screen? Terus siapa yang jelas nih di laptopnya? Damika?
Ma'am, the screen is stuck on the page that said asking for attention and checking understanding.
Oh, stuck. Oh, sorry. You may open your your Google Classroom, and then you may find the video. If it like that, I will stop it here, and then I will show you the material that I prepared. Yeah. Wait. Okay, this is checking understanding. Could you read? What about this one? Could you read it? Answer me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Marvel. Now. And then read the expression of checking for understanding. There are some expression that I put here. Could you read it?
Ma'am, kenapa
Ya.
di layarku warna hitam, ma'am?
What about the others? Kalian, you can see? Bisa lihat tidak yang di layar nih?
Yes, ma'am.
Jelas, oke.
Ya, ma'am.
Kalau belum jelas, materinya ada di Google Classroom. Nanti kalian buka saja. Sekarang yang jelas, coba dibacakan lagi. Ungkapan tentang meminta perhatian seseorang. Ayo, siapa yang bisa? Yang jelas di screen-nya? Anata, maybe? Halo?
Yes, ma'am.
Could you read it? Bisa baca? Gimana sih kalau kita mau check for understanding someone? Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? And then, do you know what I'm saying? Do you follow me? Do you understand? Got it? You got it? Is it clear? Are you following me? It's something that I always say to you, right? Ma'am always say something like that to check your understanding, kan? Ma'am sudah biasa pakai ini untuk mengetahui apakah kalian paham atau tidak. And then this is the showing understanding, expressing lack of understanding. Ada yang kurang paham, ada yang paham. If you understand, you can see, I see, or I understand, I get it, yes, or I understand what you are saying, I know what you mean, I'm with you. Ini kalau kita mengucapkan respon yang positif. Kalau kita responnya negatif, ada juga expressionnya. You may say, I don't get it. I'm sorry, what do you mean? Excuse me, but I'm not following you. Again, please. Again, please. Minta diulangi apa penjelasannya ya. And then, sorry, I don't understand. And then, what do you mean? I don't quite follow you. Oke, jadi di kotak pertama ini, the first table is about checking for understanding, and then the second table is about positive response, and then the third table is about negative response. Oke, sampai sini ada yang mau ditanyakan? Bagaimana cara meminta perhatian? No? Hello?
Me, ma'am.
Yeah, can reach it. What is your question?
Do you get me clear?
Do you get me clear? Itu if checking understanding or getting attention?
Checking understanding.
Checking understanding. Okay, good job, Ken Richie. And then, what else? Could you open your Google Classroom? No, yeah, your Google Classroom and then find your LKPD, lembar kerja peserta didik. Oh, no. Sorry. You should read the dialogue first. Before we start our dialogue, we read our dialogue. Look at the time here. Because we only have 2 minutes in our Zoom meeting. As usual, you should leave the meeting and then join again, ya. Okay, see you.
Saya HP nge-lag, men.
HP-mu nge-lag. Oke, kalau nge-lag coba dibuka di Google Classroom, Ken Richie. Supaya tidak nge-lag. Michelle Nadim and Justin Sugando. Justin, are you class captain, Justin? Where is Justin? Justin class captain, kan? No. So who's the class captain?
Tidak ada.
No, really? I think Justin. Oh, okay. Justin as a class captain here. And then student 1 is Michelle Nadim. And then student 2 is Yusuf. Okay, ready? Okay, please go. 1, 2, 3, go. Hello, class captain. Justin? Hello, where is Justin? Out? Ah, no Justin here. Fioren jadi kelas kapten ya?
Yes, ma'am.
Oke, please. Fioren jadi kelas kapten. 1, 2, 3.
May I have your attention, please?
Hey,
guys, our captain wants to say something. Can you please be quiet?
Yes, thank you. So Mr. Ahmad can't come to the class today because he got urgent things to take care of.
Student 2. Hello, student 2. Who's student 2 here? Okay, I'm the student 2. Nice. That means we are free today.
No, listen up. He assigned us to read the article on page 57 and write a 300 words essay based on the article.
Oh my God, really? Okay, give applause for us. Tepuk tangan. I couldn't hear your applause. Hello? Yeah. Okay, next. Ricardo as a class captain. And then student 1 is Destin, student 2, Delphine, the twins. And then Ricardo and the twins. Ready? Okay, siap. 1, 2, 3, go.
May I have your attention, please?
Okay.
Hey guys, our captain wants to say something. Can you repeat?
Yes, thank you. So, Mr. Ahmad cannot come to the class today because he got urgent things to take care of.
Nice. That means we are free today.
No, listen up. He assigned to read the article on page 57 and write a 300 words essay based on the article.
Oh my God, really?
Okay, good. Give applause for Ricardo and the twins. Okay. Bisa ulangin enggak? Ini bagaimana sih bilangnya? Can you please be apa ini?
Quiet.
Quiet.
Quiet, ya. And then the correct pronounce is quiet. So you may say, can you please be quiet? Gitu ya. Okay, next dialogue. Keberatan nih. Wait. Dialogue 2. You can see the dialogue on the screen. Layarku hitam, ma'am. Ya, layar hitam semua.
I can see, ma'am. I see.
I can see, ma'am.
Okay. So in the dialogue 2, there are Lugo and Ether. Siapa yang mau jadi Lugo? Who can be Lugo? And then who is Ether?
Me.
Okay, good. Can Richie and?
Me, ma'am.
Say your name, please.
Richard.
Okay, good. Richard Lim and Ken Richie. Ken Richie go. Richard Lim as the Ether. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Go.
Sorry to bother you.
It's okay. What's up?
Can you tell me how to answer this question?
Let me see. First, you must read the text, then you read the questions and focus on the paragraph. Are you with me?
What do you mean by focusing on the paragraph?
Well, to find the answer to question number 3, you must focus on paragraph 2.
I see. I know what you mean. Thanks.
Okay, give applause for Richard Lim and Ken Richie. Next. Siapa yang mau lagi? Yang bicara nih, cewek-cewek. Vanessa sama Aurelia. Ready? Hello. Hello, Vanessa. Hello, Aurelia. Can you start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Aurelia as a Lugo and then Vanessa Indivara as a Itar. As Itar, ya. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Sorry to bother you.
It's okay. What's up?
Can you tell me how to answer?
Let me see. First, you must read the text, then you read the question and focus on the paragraph. Are you with me?
What do you mean by focusing on the paragraph?
Well, to find the answer to question number 3, you must focus on paragraph 2.
I see. I know what you mean. Thanks.
Okay, give applause for Vanessa and Aurelia. And then in this dialogue, could you find the okay. And then now in this dialogue, could you find the expression of getting attention, checking understanding and the response? Yang mana yang checking understanding? Kalimat mana?
Are you with me?
Okay, good job. Are you with me? Dia checking understanding ya. And then, what about the response? Mana yang responnya dia?
I see.
Okay, good. Itu ya. Aduh. And then, now, any question? Ada pertanyaan?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay, good job. And then, open your LKPD, lembar kerja peserta didik. And then, there is task 1 and task 2 there. Jadi kalian kerjakan lembar kerja siswa di LKPD-nya. I will share it in the screen. Ya, ini ya. Ini lembar kerja peserta didik yang harus kalian kerjakan. I will give you 15 minutes. Is it enough? 15 menit cukup? Cukup dong ya. Cuman pilihan ganda 6 nomor. Oke.
Tulis soal, ma'am.
No, you don't need to write the question. Only the answer.
Langsung jawaban saja.
Yeah. Read the question and then answer it. Put the Yeah, submit the answer on Google Classroom ya. You have to take the picture and then send it to Google Classroom as usual. Seperti biasa ya. Oke, 15 minutes enough? Ada yang belum dapat soal bisa lihat di layar.
Ma'am, langsung jawab.
Ya, langsung dijawab saja. A, B, C, D gitu. Fifteen minutes ya.
Yang PG-nya saja kan, Mem? Esainya nggak usah.
Sama esainya. Esainya cuma 5 nomor. Is it? I think it's easy for you, Ken.
Mem, boleh kerja di filenya?
Ya, you can. Ya, boleh dikerja di filenya, boleh. Jadi yang mau kerja di filenya itu lebih mudah. Ini, do you write your answer here? Tulis jawaban kalian di kotak yang hijau-hijau itu. Yang warna hijau, tulis jawabannya di situ. Dan yang essay, task 2-nya, you may write the answer there. Look at this. Memang sudah sediakan tempat untuk menjawabnya di sini ya. Yang mau jawab langsung boleh sekali.
Mem, dengan checking understanding juga Mem yang dikerja.
Iya, semuanya. Ada 6 nomor, 6.
Oke, Mem.
6 tambah 6. Nih. Read the dialogue first. Mrs. Susie and the students. There are 4 questions here. What does the teacher tell to the students? What does the teacher say to get attention? What will the student have a mid-examination? And then what materials should be learned by the students? For checking understanding, ada 3 pilihan ganda dan 5 esai. How many person are there in the dialogue? How many? There are blah, blah, blah. There are Mother and Tiara. How much is it? What does the conversation take place? Ayo, kira-kira di mana? What does Tiara's mother want Tiara to do? Apa yang dimau mamanya Tiara lakukan ke Tiara? Where will Tiara buy fish? Di mana Tiara membeli ikan? How does Tiara go to the market? Bagaimana Tiara pergi ke pasar? Buy apa? Mudah kan?
Terbang.
Ya. If you finish, you may say, I'm finished, ma'am. I'm done, ma'am. Okay, I will remind you again, in English class, especially for me, I want you to respond everything that I say. Ya, respon kalian itu juga dinilai siapa yang sering merespon, seperti Ken atau Anata, Damika, Justin, Ricardo, ya. Harus direspon gitu. Oh yeah, ma'am, I'm done, I'm finished. Not yet, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Gitu ya. Because English is communication. How I know you understand what I mean if you not give a response to me, yeah? So I don't know if you understand or not.
I'm done, ma'am.
Ah, you're done. Thank you, Ken Richie. We still have 5 minutes to go to check our answer together.
Dikirim di Google Classroom kan?
Yes, you send it. You submit your work at Google Classroom. I will check ya. Siapa aja yang sudah kumpul? Baru 1 orang, kok enggak nih? Yang sudah boleh langsung di-submit. Sudah banyak ya yang sudah. Okay, finish? Okay. If you finish, you have to send it to Google Classroom. Now we will check it together ya. Tapi tidak boleh diganti jawabannya yang sudah. Number 1. Who wanna answer number 1? Where is it? Instrument LKPD.
B.
Not D. Asking attention. Wait. Okay. Number 1. Rafasya and Gilang. Do you know my new roommate is very choosy? I don't like her character. Really? Embarrassing. He just talks big. I see. Tell me more about it. She is only concerned with herself and told about his branded things. The underlined words is showing. Showing apa? Hello?
Respond admiration.
Responding admiration. Ada yang lain? Showing. Halo, ada yang lain jawabannya? Brian? Ya, halo. Kenapa tadi yang merespon ini? Atau kalau kalian malu, coba jawab di chat room.
Saya showing attention.
Showing attention. Kenapa showing attention? Materinya tentang itu, mem. Tadi ada expression really dan I see di expression of asking attention. So the answer is showing attention, ya. Number 2. Why Rafasya very angry with his new roommate? Kenapa dia sangat marah dengan teman sekamarnya? Kenapa?
She is annoying.
She is annoying. Atau ada jawaban lain? Jawaban lain?
Saya she is very talkative.
She is very talkative. Kenapa bisa Ken Richie bilang dia annoying? Kenapa siapa Marvel bilang dia talkative? Yang mana yang kalimat mana yang menjelaskan itu?
Coba lihat banyak ngomongnya dia. Baru habis itu dia tukang pamer.
Tukang pamer. So she is annoying, ya. Kalau Marvel, kenapa Marvel?
Nggak tahu juga.
Yeah. Oke, itu dijelaskan di sini. Rafasya, embracing, he just talks big. Dia sangat yang talks big itu banyak bicara dia. Berarti kalau dia banyak bicara, berarti jawabannya adalah talkative. Jawabannya C, ya. Oke, kalau nomor 3. Nomor 3 apa jawabannya? Vio, mana Vio ini? Can I have your attention, please? Jawabannya apa kira-kira? Ken Richie apa?
No, you can.
Satu-satu.
Tidak are like. Jawabannya are like.
Alright. Apalagi? Vio apa Vio? Semua setuju jawabannya alright? Jason apa Jason?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the answer is alright. Good job. Okay. The essay. What does the teacher tell to the students? Apa yang dibicarakan?
Ma'am. Kayak layarnya ada bugnya, ma'am. Kayak apa setiap kali lihat kamera teman atau buka chat, buka apa kan tak keluar dari itu layarnya jadi hitam pas masuk selalu.
Oke, jadi biarkan aja begini ya, biar nggak hitam ya. Oke, apa jawabannya nomor 1? What does the teacher tell to the students? Apa yang diucapkan guru kepada muridnya? Vio, Yusuf, Marvel. What does the teacher tell to the students? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your answer? Jawaban esai nomor 1. Oke. The teacher said, don't be noisy. Attention, please. Ya, itu jawabannya. What does the teacher say to get attention? Don't attention. Yeah, attention, please. Okay, number 3. When will the student have a mid examination? Kapan dia akan ujian semester? Next week. What material should be learned by the students?
Chapter 1 until chapter 4.
Okay, good. Oke, sekarang ya exercise checking understanding. Oke, coba. Number 1 apa? Ini jawabannya ABC ya. Tapi ada kesalahan teknis nih, pilihan gandanya. Apa nomor 1?
Kalau saya jawabnya yang maksudnya yang A.
Do you know what I'm talking about? Ada yang lain?
Saya A, ma'am.
Oh, A semua. A, D, C, A.
Saya
Oke.
E, ma'am.
Ya, benar. Jawabannya E. Nomor 2? Nomor 2? H. Ya.
Nomor 2 H.
A, ma'am.
3.
E.
Ya. Are you with me? Well, what should I do with the
Yes.
molds? Oh, I forgot about it. You must wear the molds with some butter. Are you with me? And then, do you like it? Apa jawabannya nomor 3 nih? Nomor 3 apa?
G, are you with me?
Are you with me? Oke, betul. Nomor 4 apa? Slow down.
I'm not sure I'm understanding what you're saying.
Oke, good. Number 5?
Okay.
Oke. Sekarang esainya ada 5 nomor. Number 6. How many person are there in the dialogue? Yeah, how many?
2.
2. Good. Okay. Where does the conversation take place?
Kitchen.
Kitchen. Good. Number 8. What does Tiara's mother want Tiara to do?
Buy fish
Buy
in market.
some fish.
Good. Number 9. Where will Tiara buy fish?
Market.
In the market.
Matsumi shop.
Mak Yumi
In
shop.
the kitchen.
Really? Tiara beli ikan di mana? Ayo. Di Mak Yumi Matsumi shop.
In market.
Ada di baris ketiga. Will you buy me some fish in the market first? Gitu ya. Dia beli gingernya di Matsumi shop, beli ikannya di pasar gitu. How does Tiara go to the market? How does? By?
Terbang.
Motorcycle.
By
Garis
motorcycle.
miring demodifikatif.
Okay, good. Wait. Menarik kesimpulan praktek. And then it's time to practice your dialogue. Ada yang sudah buat?
Udah, ma'am.
Sudah?
Buat apa, Mem?
Sudah, Mem.
I will
Dialognya.
give you 2 minutes to prepare it.
Oke, Mem.
2 minutes, 2 menit untuk latihan-latihan ya. Say ready if you're ready. Say, I'm ready, ma'am, if you want to practice the dialogue with your partner, with your peers. I'm ready, ma'am. Me and my partner. Say something like that, yeah. Ma'am, ambil nilai praktis ya. Okay, who will the first pair? Siapa pasangan pertama yang mau menampilkan? Siapa? Ayo.
Ma'am,
Ya.
me and my partner is already ready. Cinca-cinca ready.
Cinca-cinca ready. It's
Saya
Korean
dan Marta.
English ya. Korean English.
It's okay. Saya sama Marvel, ma'am.
Okay, Marvel, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please.
Okay. Hi, Marvel.
Hai, Anata.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please?
Sure.
Tomorrow it's Sun's birthday. I hope you will come to surprise Sun. Will you come?
Yes, I will come.
Okay, thank you for your nice attention. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, Anata.
Okay, good job, Marvel and Anata. Next pair. Ayo, siapa lagi?
Me.
Okay, can Richie and
Yusuf. Loh.
Okay, please.
Tuh. Mana Yusuf? Halo, Yusuf.
Halo, Yusuf. Yusuf. Yusuf siap dia.
Udah ada suaranya, mana?
Ada. Yusuf, dinyalakan mikrofonnya. Ya, good job. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Tuh. Belum buka, Sir.
Buka kameranya. Yusuf and Richie.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, please.
Can I get your attention, please?
Yes, sure.
I just lost my notebook. It's a blue cover.
Okay.
Do you see it?
No, I don't see it.
Can you help me find it?
Sure, I will help you.
Okay, thanks. See you.
See you too.
Okay, good job, Ken Richie and Yusuf. Okay, one more pair. Satu orang lagi sebelum kita masuk ke Zoom meeting selanjutnya, karena waktunya tinggal 2 menit. Oke, one more pair. Satu pasangan lagi. Siapa nih yang mau nih? The twins. Or Damika, Ricardo and Richie. Ricardo and Richard Lim.
Saya dengan Damika, Ma'am.
Oh, okay, Damika and Ricardo, please.
Hey, Ricardo.
Hey, what's up, Damika?
I want to ask how to make this instant noodle cup.
Oh, it's easy. First, open the cup noodle package, then take the seasoning and the plastic fork. After that, pour hot water into the cup noodle until this mark. Then close it and wait for about 5 minutes. Finally, mix with the seasoning.
Wait, I don't get it. Can you explain it slowly?
Alright, first open the package and take out the seasoning and the plastic. Do you get?
Yes.
Then pour hot water into the cup noodle until this mark. Can you see?
Yes, and then?
Next, close and wait for about 5 minutes with me. So,
Yes, I am following.
after that, mix the noodle and the seasoning. Then you can enjoy it.
Oh, I see.
Did you understand how to make an instant noodle?
Yes, I understand. Thank you very much, Ricardo.
You're welcome, Damika.
Okay, good job Ricardo and Damika ya. Okay, next performance, next pair. On the next Zoom meeting ya, I will end up here. Mem akhiri dulu supaya kita bisa masuk lagi.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, please. Richard Lim and who's your pair, Richard Lim? Hello, Richard Lim. Richard Lim and
Reinhard.
Reinhard. Okay, please. Silahkan.
Okay.
Hi, Reinhard.
Hi, Richard. How are you?
Fine. Reinhard, listen to me. There's something you have to know.
What's up, bro?
Well, the principal is calling you to this room to talk to him.
What does he want from me?
I don't know. Just go and see him.
Okay, thanks for informing me.
No problem.
Okay, good job. Okay, if you finish, yang sudah tadi, siapa ada beberapa orang yang sudah, 8 orang, I will give you link evaluation ya, di chat room, Mem kasih link evaluasinya, kalian kerjakan. Nah itu, ya buat yang sudah, langsung kerjakan evaluasinya. Next, siapa lagi? Who's next? Oke, yang sudah boleh langsung dikerjakan Google Form-nya, di Google Form ya. Ada soal evaluasinya.
Sorry, Mem, tapi kenapa dia minta izin, Mem?
Izin?
Anda harus masuk menggunakan izin.
Hah?
Iya.
Oke, I will check it later ya. Thank you for your information, Anata. Oke. What next? Siapa lagi yang mau? No one? Nanti yang belum, kirim saja teksnya di Google Classroom ya, yang nggak sempat performs. Okay. What we learned today? Because time is almost up, I will ask you, what we learned today? Apa yang kita pelajari hari ini? Ya, Ricardo, mau jawab? Hari ini kita belajar apa sih? Belajar apa aja? What we learned today?
Attention and checking understanding.
Good job, asking attention and checking understanding. Okay, Damika, coba sebutkan expression dari checking understanding. Expressionnya, ungkapan-ungkapannya. You may open your book. Apa aja expressionnya? Marvel? Apa aja Marvel? Expressionnya dari checking understanding. Nih, checking understanding. Ada, do you know what I mean? Do you follow me?
Do you know what I mean? Do you know what
I mean,
I'm saying? Do you follow me?
Do you follow
Do
me?
you understand? Got it. Is this clear? Are you following me?
Oke. How we respond it? Bagaimana kita meresponnya? I see.
I see. I understand. I
Okay.
get it.
Okay.
Yes. I understand what you are saying. I know what you mean.
Oke, ini yang expression attention, getting attention, ada asking and giving attention, ada meminta dan memberi pendapat. Oke, coba dibacakan lagi ya, Marvel.
Yang mana, Mem? Yang
Asking
ekspresi
attention.
loh.
Asking attention. Langsung ekspresinya saja.
Oh, excuse me, listen to me. Look at me now. Look here. Hey, hello. Attention, please. Can I get it? The attention? Thanks. Stop talking, please. Everybody, may I have your attention, please? Can I have your attention, please? Excuse me. I wonder if I could trouble you. May I have your attention, please? Sorry to trouble you. Sorry to bother you. Look what I've got here.
Oke, giving attention. Bagaimana? Giving attention, memberikan perhatian, merespon. Anata?
Yes.
How we respond when someone asking attention? I see. Itu ada di layar ya. I see. What else?
Saya hitam.
Oh, hitam juga. Oke, Ken Richie?
Yes, ma'am.
Our response to giving attention. I see. Tell me more about it.
I see. Tell me more about it. Really?
What happened? Next. Ayo dibaca.
It's that all? That's all right. I see. Tell me more about it. Oh, yes, really? Oh, my God, what happened? Next? Aha, and then what? Oh, interesting. What's next? I know what do you mean. It's that all? Oh, indeed. Well, oh no.
Ya, itu ya. Oke, itu yang kita pelajari hari ini, ekspresi tentang getting attention and checking understanding. Ya, nanti evaluasinya ada sudah beberapa orang yang mengerjakan. Oke, we wanna ask something. Oke, please.
The form dikerjakan, Mem, yang form.
Google Form ini, yes. If you can open this Google form, you may open it and then you finish the evaluation there. Ya, ada sudah
Bisa,
kita.
Mem. Cuman harus minta izin katanya.
Oke. I will make it clear ya. Nanti memperbaiki. Kita sekarang masuk ke bagian terakhir saja karena waktunya sudah mau habis. Apa yang paling kalian sukai dari pembelajaran hari ini? Bagian apanya? Saat apa?
Dialog.
Dialog. Oke. Ada lagi? Bagian paling disukai?
Dialog.
Dialog semua. Selain dialog nggak ada? Kalau kalian sukanya talking
Caranya meminta perhatian.
Oke, good. Thank you. Oke. Any question? Ada pertanyaan? If not, we end up our meeting today here. So you have no homework for next week. Kalian tidak punya PR untuk minggu depan ya. And then thank you. Thank you for joining my class today on time. Okay, if you're not finished your assignment, I will wait in Google Classroom ya. Nanti yang belum selesai, boleh langsung dikirimkan saja ke Google Classroom sampai jam 10. Mem tunggu setengah jam lagi ya. Google Form-nya nanti Mem cek dulu, nanti Mem kirimkan ulang link-nya. Okay, see you next week. See you on Saturday because we have a prakarya class, right? See you. Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, ma'am.
You may leave meeting.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, Marcel. Good morning, Richard.